Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how you can turn off the sleep mode in Windows 10. Okay, for that you have to go to the start option, then go to settings. Okay, after coming to settings, you'll see an option called system. Go to system. Okay, in the system in the left side you will see an option called power and sleep. As you can see that I have got power and sleep option, which is screen then sleep. Okay, on battery power, turn off after 5 seconds, which means my battery, when I'm using my Windows 10 operating system only for with battery, then it will turn off the screen 5 minutes. When it is plugged in, which is on, it will on charge, it will turn off the 10 minutes. It is screen, not the sleep mode. Okay, then sleep mode, if I uses the battery power, it will go to into sleep into 15 minutes, and if into in plugged in, then it will go into sleep mode after 30 minutes. Okay, so I don't want it. I want to turn off the sleep mode, which means I don't want my PC go to the sleep mode. So that's why I need to do is in the right, in the down below you'll see an option called never, and then I'm going to make it never as well, which means my screen, whether it's in battery or not, whether it's plugged in, it will never go to the turn off display option. So then sleep, I am going to do the same, never and never, which means my laptop will never go to the sleep mode again. Okay, so this is how you can turn off the sleep mode. Okay, now if you go to this additional power settings, you will change the options here from as well. For that you have to write on the change plan settings. Okay, as you can see that it already saying that's never, which means we changed it. Okay, so if you wanna some advanced power settings, you can do that as well. So if you can turn off your hard disk in this time, you can internet explorer, sleep mode, USB settings, you can do that from here. So I hope you will explore these settings from here, and you will get to know a lot of things about Windows 10 operating system. So this is how you can turn off the sleep mode. That's what I showed you. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. Please make sure like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.